Welcome to a franchise rebuild. We will be using the national, no, I don't know. This is the Pirates. GM contracts off, fantasy draft off, allow it, no. Instant trades, ignore budgets off, force trade off. So let's go look at the roster. Andrew McCutchen, 96 overall. Garrett Cole, 86 overall. Josh Harrison, 85 overall. Starling Marte, 84 overall. Mark Melancon, 82 overall. Neil Walker, 82 overall. Francisco Leon, 81 overall. Tony Watson. Yeah, they get a pretty good roster, but they seem to never make it to the World Series. So I'll be back when I'll find a trade. Here I'll be getting a prospect, Thomas Ortega, for Dave. Can't pronounce his last name. So yeah, just gonna stack up on prospects right now. Right here we'll be getting Bryce Harper for, I think it's a little bit too much, but Bryce Harper increases really quick in this game. So Josh Harrison, Neil Walker, and Mark Melancon. I don't know. I don't really want to do it, but let's see what else we can ask on. Starling Marte. We can do this trade and then see if we can get Starling Marte back. Because normally this game is broken like that, and you can get him back for nobody. See? So we got him back. So I'll find another trade for some prospects. Right here we'll be giving Bryant Vento for Antonio Bastardo, Tony Sanchez, and Matthew Yeager. So